So today we are going to start MTP. MTP. So MTP means medical termination of the pregnancy or induced abortion. Induced abortion or MTP. So what it means by the MTP? Involuntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called as the MTP. So involuntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called MTP. So why MTP is needed? Why MTP is needed? There are so many devices, so many methods, so many contraceptive methods by which pregnancy may be pregnanted. Then why it is needed? Why? Why MTP necessary? Why MTP is needed? So this is caused due to the unprotected intercourse. One is the unprotected intercourse. Second may be failure of contraceptives. And next may be due to the rape. These three reasons may be there. One is due to the first reason, unprotected intercourse. Second, failure of the contraceptives. Sometimes these contraceptives are, if we are using the first method, natural method, more possibilities of the failure. And the second, barier method, sometimes this may be failure. And the surgical method may also be, sometimes it may also be failure. So occasionally these methods may be failure. So if contraceptive methods are the failure, then we need the MTP, and in case of the rape also MTP is necessary. It is necessary. For sometimes when the developing fetus may be harmful or fetus to mother or fetus or for the both, in that situation MTP is also needed. For sometimes when the developing fetus may be harmful or fetal may be harmful or dangerous to fetus, mother or for both. So for some time the developing fetus may be harmful or dangerous to the fetus, or mother or for the both. In that situation, this MTP is necessary. Or for some time, the fetus has some such defect. If that is a defective child, in that cases also the MTP necessary. If fetus has some defect and not be cured, so in that situation MTP may also be necessary. Fetus have some defects. Suppose some having some diseases, and like some diseases that may not be cured, genetic diseases which may not be curable. In that situation, this MTP may be used. So first I told you why MTP necessary. First one, the unprotected intercourse, failure of the contraceptive. Third one, the in case of the rape. Next one, the developing fetus. If developing fetus may be harmful or dangerous either for the mother or for the fetus or for the both, in that situation MTP necessary. Or for some time, if fetus have some diseases, some genetic diseases, and that may not be curable, in that situation MTP may also be done. Now next one, the methods which how this process is performed. The method. So there are mainly the three methods. What methods are there? Mainly there are the three methods. And use the Watson. Just we have to write about the methods. Methods are MTP. Methods are MTP. What methods are applied for the MTP? So first method is dilation and curettage. First method is dilation and first method is dilation and curettage. In this method, what happens? Cervix is dilated and embryo is removed. In this method, the cervix is dilated and embryo is removed. This method. And the second method is called the vacuum aspiration. Vacuum aspiration. This method may be used up to the 12th week of the pregnancy, and in this method aspiration of Aspiration of embryo with the help of vacuum aspirator. Aspiration, or this is by this method it is sucked. This is the aspiration of embryo with the help of the vacuum aspirator. It is the by the vacuum aspirator. This is the fetus is the sucked or the aspirator. So this is the, and this may be effective only the up to the first trimester or the 21 weeks of the 12 weeks of the pregnancy. 12 weeks of the pregnancy, this method may be effective. And next method, third method is prostaglandins. Third method is the administration of prostaglandins. Administration of prostaglandins. Prostaglandin E or prostaglandin E2 are used. Very commonly these are used. So these prostaglandins are intravaginally used. These prostaglandins are intravaginally used. These are kept inside the vagina, and that causes the contraction of uterine muscles. That causes the contraction of uterus muscles, that leads to abortion. These are the method use of the prostaglandins. So next one is the when safe period. Next one is after method. Next one the safe period for the MTP. After method, safe period. Safe period for MTP. What is safe period for the MTP? This is the safe for the during the first trimester. Safe period during first trimester. During first trimester, it is the safe up to the 12th month of pregnancy. During the first trimester, so it is safe for the MTP. When period increases just after the first trimester, second trimester, So when period increases, complexity increases, and that it may be more dangerous for the mother. If MTP is done during the first trimester, it is safe, and if increasing the time, the risk factor for the mother gradually increases. So next one, what is the importance? What is importance? What is significant? What is significant? What is the significance and what is the importance? One is the MTP played an important role in the population control. Population control. It has played an important role in population control, and it useful for this method is useful in case of the developing fetus, which may be harmful to the mother or to the fetus or for the both. So it may be it has played an important role in population control, and it saves the life of mother. Save the life of the mother. For sometimes when the developing fetus may be harmful to mother or for the fetus or for the both, this practice may use to save the life of the fetus. And next one is what is the features in this case. This is the main features that having it prevent the birth of, or it help in destroying the fetus. It helps the fetus which is not properly developing and having some diseases, having some genetic diseases. So next one, what is the drawbacks? What are the drawbacks of this practice? This practice is used for the killing of girl child. This practice drawback is this help in the killing of the girl child, and for some time this practice is performed by the unqualified quakes. It is for some time it is done by the unqualified quakes, and that may causes the death of mother. That may causes the death of the mother, or may harmful for the health of the mother. So that's for today. Next day we will discuss next topic. Thank you. That's for today.